riding on the city of New Orleans. Illinois Central Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 15 restless riders. 3 conductors and 25 sacks of mail. Now all along the southbound Odyssey, the train...
There's just something about trains that leaves a lasting impression. They are iconic. They're powerful, articulate, and symbolic. Symbolic of Americans' development, our can-do attitude. The steam train has been an icon of power and mystery and romance for decades. Whether this is your first time or one of many, it's time. It's time for an adventure. It's time to ride the train. The advent of the steam locomotive brought freedom to travel America. It quickly replaced the horse when traveling long distances. A network of steel rails soon blanketed a young growing nation, linking the East with the West. It's no wonder that it has left an indelible imprint on our culture, reflected in our art and music. In the early days, working on the railroad was dangerous. Accidents and equipment failure often caused catastrophic results, and many of these calamities were chronicled into railroad folk songs. With speeds up to 85 miles an hour, there was little room for error and a long distance required for stopping. Today, however, rail travel is safe, comfortable, and leisurely. If you want to get somewhere fast, the train is probably not the best mode of transportation. But if you want to see America, it's grand.
Good morning, America, how are you? Hey, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm a train they call the city of New Orleans, and I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done.
When commercial rail travel dipped to its lowest ebb in the 70s, excursion trains steadily increased in popularity. Because people are willing to pay excursion rates, and with the help of volunteers, excursion railroads have been able to bring back the flavor of yesteryear and still make a profit. This is an excellent way to allow our children to experience railroad history.
Old train, I can hear your whistle blow, and I won't be jumping on the game. Old train, I've been everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Old train, it's time to pass your road and the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear rusty wheels grate against the rails, they cry with every mile. I think I'll stay a while. Old train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear rusty wheels break against the rails, they cry with every mile. I think I'll stay a while. Old train, I grow weary at the miles, and I'll miss the freedom that was mine. Old train, just to think about those times, I'll smile when you're highballing by. Old train, it's time to pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear rusty wheels break against the rails, they cry with every mile. I think I'll stay a while.
This is Doug Ruiz promoting railway history. Remember to always keep the coal fires burning. Thanks for riding with me on This Old Train.